Hi, it's George again from eimports4Less, here today filming a short video about a vehicle that just came into us. It's going to be available on the website within a day or so. We've got here is a 2019 is a Mercedes-Benz GLS450. This is their top of the line, largest SUV Mercedes-Benz makes, third row seat car. So let's take a walk around. It's a 2019 black exterior. It's got the mocha brown interior. The car's got 36,000 miles on it. Overall excellent condition. Take a quick look at the interior here in a second. The options on this one are nice. You've got keyless go, you've got the panoramic moonroof. You can see the running boards on the vehicle. This is the 4Matic all-wheel drive model. Driver's side same as the passenger, nice and clean. Take a quick walk around here and then show you the interior. Again, this one has the panoramic moonroof, which is really nice. It's basically 3/4 of the size of the roof of the car, so nice big sunroof, goes right over the back passenger seats as well. So let's take a look at the interior. Again, this is mocha color. They do use a contrast color stitch. So nice glosswood trim in there. We're in the bright sunlight, so you can't see it exactly perfect, but take a look at the pictures on our website. You'll be able to see how nice that interior really looks. So they use a brown carpet as well. It's nice dark color carpet so you don't get it dirty. Again, we're out here in the bright sunlight, so there's a bunch of shadows, but really clean condition. Third row seat is right back here. Actually a pretty good size usable one. Dual moonroof you'll see right up there. Goes right above the passenger's rear seats there. So again, 2019 GLS450 4Matic. You can see all the details on our website at eimports.com. If you're interested in owning this one, you want to buy it before somebody beats you to it, give us a call here at the dealership. It's 215-249-9100. Thanks for checking it out.